Hello everybody, welcome back to corkandjava.com. I'm Billy and this is Bryn, and this is our third installment of the 12 days of Christmas cocktails. Today we are making some Christmas mimosas for the holidays, so stay tuned.
Hello everybody, welcome to corkandjava.com, your go-to place for coffee and wine, reviews and how-tos. On this channel, we like to expand and enrich your experience with all your favorite beverages. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you never miss a video.
That's right, so we're making some holiday mimosas for our third installment of the 12 days of Christmas cocktails. So how do we make it?
Alright, well first we will need some orange juice.
Alright, what are the ratios of this? So we got orange juice, cranberry pomegranate, and some champagne or Prosecco, I think you can use as well, but we're going classy here with some nice about $20 bottle of champagne here. I expect it to be very nice.
So this is calling for 2 tablespoons of orange juice to 1/4 cup of the cranberry pomegranate juice cocktail. And then champagne to your liking. It doesn't have a measurement, so it's actually light on the orange juice and heavy on the cranberry pomegranate. So
what I'm gonna do is go about let's give it a little bit more cranberry pomegranate there. I want it to be mostly champagne, and so I assume this is this pulp free or?
Yeah, I think it's pulp free. Yeah, no pulp.
No pulp. I guess that's up to personal preference, but I think for a cocktail, it's better to have pulp free.
It'll be a little bit smoother. Less
yeah, I think so.
chunky.
All right, let's get those out of the way.
Okay.
And open this champagne. All right, do you remember how many twists it takes?
Yes, I do.
How many?
6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is right, and the cage is off. All right, now show you how to properly open a bottle of champagne. I think we've showed you in previous videos. You don't just flick off the cork and let it go flying and poke someone's eye out. I mean, you can use a saber. That's pretty cool. But that's also high risk and something you might want to try outside first.
High risk, but high reward because you look really cool doing it.
Not only does the cork go flying, but usually has glass go flying too.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Usually just take a rag, put it over, and get a nice grip and slowly twist it, and you can feel the cork coming out slowly, and you really want to try to get it to come out as slow as possible so you release as little carbonation as possible, because when you pop it off really quick you lose a lot of that carbonation. So let's listen to the pop.
Nice.
If you do it really good, it just goes like fizzes, but that'll work right there. Nothing lost. Let's fill it the rest of the way up.
Okay.
Alrighty.
I like it.
And to garnish, a little bit of a whatchamacallit there.
Rosemary sprig?
Yeah, rosemary sprig. The holiday thing.
Yeah, this looks so pretty and festive. I love it.
Yeah, this came right out of our garden in our side yards. Fresh.
Yep.
All right, take a sip.
Okay.
This looks awesome, by the way.
It's really nice.
Wow, super refreshing, especially with that rosemary right up there in your nose.
It smells really good. Yeah, and this recipe is from the Lidl website, and it called for an extra few tablespoons of sugar in it, but you don't need it.
Skip the sugar. There's enough sugar in the juices that you have, and if you really want it sweet, just get a sweeter sparkling wine. I prefer my champagne and champagne beverages to be a little bit on the drier side. I don't mind some sweetness in there, but I don't like it to be overly sweet.
Yeah, no, this is perfect.
So yeah, that's our holiday mimosa right there.
All right, guys, make sure that you find us online. We're on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. We're looking forward to seeing you guys there. Until next time,
Bottoms up.